It's been 5 years since we saw an update to the Powerbeats Pro wireless earbuds from Beats. And that all changes today with the Powerbeats Pro 2. 2019 was the year that these were first unveiled to the public, so it's been quite some time that we've been waiting for an update, or at least the follow-up to the Powerbeats Pro lineup. And that's here today, and we're going to unbox them for you right now and talk about everything that makes these headphones different and why you might want to pick them up, well, now. Let's unbox these here on camera so we can talk about them as we go. As usual, we've got the little strip on the side to peel away. Of course, if you don't have nails, it makes it a little bit more difficult. Peel away the side strip here, take off the label, open the box, and we've got the nice orange color Powerbeats Pro 2 from Beats. Inside the box, the nice paper box, you've got a QR code with information on how to set things up, and we've got a whole bunch of different tips to choose from. 4 tips to be specific, which is going to make fitting in your ears hopefully a breeze. There's extra small, small, large, XL, and of course the medium, which you're not seeing over here, is actually on the earbuds when you get them. Right away, you'll notice the design is brand new and refined, yet it's familiar for those people who have used this type of earhook style headphone before. The earhooks themselves, when you actually look at them, are 20% lighter and made of a new material that's supposed to be super rigid and actually more flexible and customizable to be more comfortable on your ear itself. They're saying that if you wear glasses or if you have long hair and these constantly got in the way with the arm of the glasses or just your hair, these are going to be more comfortable for you if you use them every single day. They've actually used a new material called nickel titanium. It's an alloy that is combined together to make them super flexible yet stay in place, especially for workouts. And of course, when it comes to design, these are IPX4 rated, so they're resistant to sweat, of course, and of course, rain if you happen to be out and about while the rain is pouring down. Let's talk about sound for a second here, because that is, I don't know, kind of important when it comes to a new headphone. And let me put this out there, okay? Some people don't like Beats because they find it's a little bit too bassy. I actually really do like the sound of Beats and the comfort of the headphone. I find you get a lot of good sound quality in the actual package. And when it comes to the bassiness of things, I always go into the EQ settings of my phone and tweak things to my personal liking. So there is the ability to actually customize these to your unique listening style if you want to. The case is actually color matched to the headphones themselves, so when you pop them open, you can see I have the orange color here. You've got a charging case, of course, which gives you super long battery life, and of course that storage aspect of things to just pop them in your pocket and have them recharge themselves as you go. So let's get to the specifics of what's on board in terms of the sound. Inside, there's a custom dual-layer transducer, a high-output amplifier, and a new venting system that helps balance pressure and deliver that punchy bass without distorting the mids and highs. The result, of course, a more balanced professional sound that Beats is claiming is actually their best yet. Now, for the first time ever, these Powerbeats Pro 2 feature active noise cancellation along with a transparency mode. So if you're used to the AirPods or if you're used to some of the newer Beats, the higher end ones, you're going to get active noise cancellation and transparency across the board, which is great for people who love keeping them in their ear and not actually removing them as they go about their day. The active noise cancellation comes from the Beats Studio Buds Plus, and they've actually improved on that, making it even smarter, which allows it to both adapt to the environment and how the actual earbuds fit in your ears. Of course, I mentioned the transparency mode. If you don't like noise cancellation, you've got transparency mode, which pipes in external sounds so you can stay aware of the surroundings, or you can turn both off and let the adaptive EQ feature personalize the sound based on how the earbuds are sitting in your ear. Battery life is 10 hours in the buds themselves. Add the case, which is fully charged to it, and you get a total of 45 hours of listening. You can be out for a couple days and not have to worry about these losing power, especially with that charging case. Even with active noise cancellation on, you still get 8 hours per charge and 36 hours of total playback. And let's say you drain everything and you want to really charge up for a quick meeting or something you're just running out of the house for, plug it in for 5 minutes and you'll get 90 minutes of playback in just those 5 minutes of charging. Oh, and did we mention that the case actually charges wirelessly now? Just grab your Qi charger or your Qi 2 charger and pop the case right on board, and you will charge the case overnight, or, of course, whatever you want to do wirelessly. So what else is new on these buds? Well, we've got upgraded voice quality. You now get Voice Isolation Mode, which uses beamforming technology to help bring those sounds that are in front of you out a little bit more amongst all the noise that might be going on. All of this thanks to, of course, Apple technology and their computational audio, which helps make for clearer calls and, of course, better voice pickup no matter the environment that you're in. And let's not forget, if you're using an iPhone, of course these are compatible with Android, you get Apple perks such as hand-free Hey Siri, you get Find My support, and you get one-touch pairing right out of the box and personalized spatial audio. One of the other biggest upgrades to these headphones are onboard heart rate monitoring. It's a first ever for a Beats product with built-in heart rate tracking, pulling of course from Apple's experience in Apple Watch and Apple's health features. It'll work automatically with the Apple Fitness app on your iPhone or of course the Fitness app on your Android device, and it'll give you super accurate readings during your workout. So if you don't happen to own an Apple Watch, this will now bring that heart rate tracking, something you may not have had before. So what's the verdict on the Powerbeats Pro 2? Enhancements across the board, a worthy update to the predecessor, and definitely something worth that $249 price tag. So what do you get across the board? Well, better fit, better sound, better comfort, better noise cancellation, transparency mode, and of course, heart rate tracking. So if you're in the market for some workout-focused earbuds that have all the premium features you'd come to expect from a headphone these days, at $249, the Powerbeats Pro 2 are definitely something you're going to want to check out. If there's something specific you want us to talk about or dive into on these products, we're going to be using them for the next couple weeks, do let us know in the comments below, like and subscribe to this video, and follow us for more updates on this product and of course all the headphones and audio stuff we talk about on the channel. Thanks for watching.